Hi everyone, this is Sustainable Warriors team from Montessori High School, Guntakal. This is Mahidar, this is Ashwak, and this is Rihan. Today we are here to present a project titled Reducing Pollution Through a Smart. Pollution is a serious problem in our India today. Many tons of the pollution is generated from our India in our daily life. So we thought about this and wanted to create or invent a machine, a solar powered recycling bin. My friend Ashwak will continue this.
So now I am going to deal with the procedure of this project. First, we need to insert the plastic waste into the recycling bin, and we have to ensure that it must be weight around 1.5 kilograms. If it is so, then the machine automatically detects the weight and it provides a token as a reward for us. So here we can see this boy is throwing the water bottle into the dustbin. Rather than throwing it in the dustbin, he can also throw it in our recycling bin so that he can obtain a free token. Now let's discuss what is the use of the token. We can use the token by exchanging the token with another recycled plastic items. So where we can see the recycled items like plastic bottles, pens, cups, etc. This part of the machine motivates the people to contribute in the large number because here the people come to know the result of their effort. Now let's discuss where the generated waste plastic goes. The generated waste plastic will be sending directly to the eco-friendly factories where they will be modifying this waste plastic by giving them proper shape, color and design. They will be converting them into such a usable items. So like this we can use waste plastic and we can convert this waste plastic into the usable plastic and thus giving second life to the waste plastic. My friend Rehan will continue.
Now I am going to discuss about the benefits of this machine. It can reduce plastic waste overall our society and our outskirts and in our cities. We can see here the machine can reduce plastic waste in our outskirts and in our cities. By this machine, people can inspire to take part in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. And this machine is eco-friendly and budget-friendly. We can place this machine in such places like schools, public places and streets. So the tons of plastic waste produced by India can reuse. Citizens can inspire to take part in developing in our nation to make our India develop and clean. Conclusion. Let's make our country healthier, greener and pollution free. Thank you.